Ladies and gentlemen.
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 Can I please have your attention?
Now showtime. Are you ready? Are you ready for start time?
Let's find out. Ready?
Cool. How are you doing today? Did you survive the holidays? I had an amazing holiday weekend. It went by too quick. But listen, we are reaching the end of Cyber Monday. Hopefully you guys found some great deals. Getting your studio set up, getting ready to get your business flowing as we wrap up this year and move into the new year. It's coming really quick. So wanted to come out here and just share with you guys really quickly. I have a promo going on, in case you didn't see it, for our upcoming training. And the deadline to reap all the discount ends tonight at midnight. So I had to make sure that you have a chance to check this out. If you are serious about really scaling up your business in this upcoming year, in December, we're going to be hosting a 3-hour mastermind that's going to help you map out everything for your upcoming year and to have a solid game plan as we go into this new season. And so often we become reactive to opportunities that happen or trying to solve problems. What I really want to do is give you guys some tools to arm yourself to go into this new year, have a solid game plan with a vision of what you want, realistic idea of what you have to do to accomplish those goals, and even identifying different resources, tools, strategies on how you can do that. Now, normally for this session, it's value, like retail value is $99, and that's with it, quote unquote, on sale, like the way that we bundle it, because if you just did a one-on-one consultation with me, it would be more than that. But with this opportunity, you're going to have a chance to really dig in, get professional help, not get stuck on any silly blocks that happen either in the way that you're thinking about things or not knowing how to solve things. I'm going to be able to jump in, roll up my sleeves, and really give you an idea that maybe you didn't think of or a solution to a roadblock. It's going to be amazing. So I hope you can join us. If you go to elizabethmorosco.com/social, you can sign up right now for $47 for the book and the training class. The actual session is going to happen December 14th at 5 p.m. It's a 3-hour window. So we'll work and take a break about maybe every hour or so, like a 5-minute break to refresh and get going. But this is going to be amazing. This particular one is not going to be broadcast for free. So this is, an opportunity for you to get your discounted tickets, $47 if you go sign up now. And you're also going to have a chance to get a book that comes with the session to map out and manage your social media. But what we're going to talk about over that time is a lot more than just regular management. We're going to get into strategy. We're going to get into technology that can ease your workload and so much more. So I hope that you can make it. But I wanted to share one more thing with you. And I've talked to you guys about this before. My favorite live streaming software by far is Ecamm. I love it. It has been a game changer for me. But right now, they are running a promo, but it ends tonight. And if you have thought at all about really getting into live streaming, this is a time to take advantage of deals so it's economical. And the cool thing is, if you lock in on their Cyber Monday price that they have, you're grandfathered in on that price forever. So let's say that you're with them a couple years from now and prices go up, you've secured in that price. So if you're interested, you would know a little bit more about that. I'd love to see you come on down, be a part of this opportunity. And like I said to you so many times before, this is by far my favorite live streaming software, but you can use it for more than just live streaming. You can use it for recording your videos, creating podcasts. It's incredible. And even like those short snippet videos, you don't have to get into a situation of rearranging your camera and all that. No, it has it set up in the settings in Ecamm to automatically get it to go to that portrait shape that you use for your reels and your shorts. And there's just so many awesome features. It's unbelievable. But if you're interested in that, go over to elizabethmorosco.com/ecamm. Got a little bit of information there for you. And then when you go to sign up, if you use Cyber22, you're going to get a 40% discount, which is sweet. I love it. I love it when I can make great things for my business and I get to save a little bit of money. That's how we keep growing our business. Find those little discounts when you can. So definitely go check that out. Cyber22, that's the code. And I just want to I'm going to give you just a quick little tutorial on Ecamm, just to kind of give you the gist of how does this thing work. So let me switch over here to demo mode really quick because I want you to see this. The way that they have designed the software, it's very intuitive. So if, for starters, if you use Ecamm, it's for Mac users. But if you are using Mac tools, well, usually they kind of feel the same, the way that everything works out with the clicks in your keyboard. Ecamm has that same intuitive sort of feel. But this gives you an idea, like this is my main screen of what I'm broadcasting out, right? Everything that I'm putting up there is sort of, it's in a scene. So you'll see all of these windows are movable, but here are two windows that are important to know if you're going to use Ecamm, and it's your scenes and your overlays. So your scene is just like each scene in a story, and then your overlay becomes all the eye candy and the sounds, everything that you're going to see or hear, and how you want it to be mapped out on each scene. So, it goes hand in hand. It's like a ring on a hand, so you get your little overlays, your little foo-foo stuff going. But I thought that I would show you just how simple Ecamm can be. And I'll do a quick little demo if you got a minute. So let's say that I wanted to create a scene. I'm going to go over here to the window that says scenes, and I'm going to click this plus sign. All right. Now I have it set up where my background is blank, and it's intentional so that I have a blank canvas. I can work from scratch. But these are some awesome little graphics that Ecamm had provided us last year. When I tell you Ecamm's awesome, you guys, I'm not kidding you. The founders, Glenn and Ken, and all the team that work there, they're always looking out for their community. And I just love that. I love that. All right, so here's one image that they had sent to us. This is from last year. I'm going to drag it over here. If you wait, before I do that, okay, see here, this is the new scene that we have. I'm going to type in demo so you can keep an eye on demo scene, okay? So that's this one. This is the overlays. Now, anything that I have in this section, see right here how it says show in current scene? Can you see that right here? Show in current scene. If I drop music or graphics or videos, it's only going to show it on this scene right here that I have highlighted. If I put it up above, this will show in all the scenes. But for this little demo purpose, we're going to take an image that I have on my hard drive, and I'm going to drag it over here to show in current scene, and then voila. Now let's say that I wanted to get my image over here. Let me pull this up, and what do we have here? Okay, so this is my camera overlay that I'm bringing in. Hold on a second, I've got my cord a little bit. There we go. All right, took me a minute. Okay, so all I did to pull in my camera here is at the bottom of overlays, in the overlay window, if I go down to the bottom, see all these icons? I selected the one that says, that looks like a camera icon. I have the choice that I can pull in stuff from a website here. I can do a countdown timer. I can add some text. I could pull in a screen from my monitor and share that on here. Or I could even get into sharing some different animations, different artwork, some GIF files, all of those fun things. So all of the eye candies here. So I have the option. I popped in a new camera overlay that's showing my camera, and we're going to have a little bit of fun just for a minute here. When I want to change the way that my camera is shaped, all I do is I go over to this pencil icon, and I'm going to select, let's say that I want to do a circle, okay? So this could be fun if I wanted to set up a scene and have, a snowball fight. You could have a bunch of people in your little windows. Your imagination can run rampant with this thing, but you've just got to get over some of the little tech hiccups of learning the flow of the software, and then all bets off. You can import images from Canva. You can bring in video that you recorded or B-roll that you purchased. It's endless. But getting into the flow of it requires you to open it up and start putzing around and stumbling a little bit. And that's okay. Because when you're stumbling at first, it shows you, hey, you're learning something new. And then this is Squircle, kind of like a cross between a square and a circle. And if I wanted to change, like around the perimeter, you can see it has that white border. But let's say that I wanted to make it bigger, or change that border from white to, let's do green. We'll go with this Christmas kind of theme. See, I can change that. I can make my border really thick or really small. And I can even customize my little camera output so it could become any size that I want. All I do is take my mouse, put it in the corner, and move it so I could shift it. It can go all over the place. So you can have a lot of fun. You're not stuck in the parameters of this box and that box, but you've still, you've got to have some restraint when you're doing anything with design. Have it be fun and playful, but make sure that you're definitely having some kind of structure to it so it looks good. And if you want to, you can go over to, oops, that's the wrong one. If you want to check out eCam, you can go over to elizabethmorosco.com/eCam. type in Cyber22, you're going to get 40% off your eCam. But that deal ends tonight at 11:59. It's it. It's done. So if you can take advantage of it, this is literally going to be a game changer for your business if you start using this software. I made the conversion. It was about a year and a half ago. It was a little bit of a learning curve, but worth every single minute that I dedicated to learning the software. And guess what? I'm still learning and improving because they keep updating the software to make it better and have more features. It's incredible. I absolutely love it. And I know that if you try it, you're going to love it too. So consider this if you're figuring out, like, what do I do for my live streaming? Where do I go from here? Ecamm is a game changer. The one thing is Ecamm is for Mac users. So if you're a PC user, you might want to try something like vMix. But I'm going to tell you the truth. If you are going to get serious about live streaming, where you're going to start live streaming every day or every week, you really should consider, sincerely, getting a separate computer strictly for streaming. And I know it's out there, might take a little while to get there, but you can get a Mac M1 Mini for under $1,000. I think you can get them for like $700 maybe ish. You can buy used Macs, but this is the thing, you don't want to go too old on your Mac because this is a powerful software. It's not just a stream software. This is a broadcast software. So you could do productions as fancy as, where do I have my phone ringing? Hold on a second. You could do productions fancy as something that you would see on the national news. So I'm hoping that you take advantage of this opportunity. Go snag your deal while you can. And the last thing I just want to say to you, okay, so that's the code really quick, elizabethmorosco.com/eCam. When you go sign up, use Cyber22. That's going to give you your 40% off discount when you go check out. So check that out. And then the last thing I just want to remind you, tonight, till midnight, you can sign up for a social media mastermind. It's going to be December 14th, 5 p.m. Eastern. 3 hours solid, focused on creating an incredibly powerful marketing plan for you. And I've worked in marketing for over 20 years in my life. I've owned my own agency for over 17 years. I studied marketing. I have a degree in marketing. This is my thing. So let me show you what I know can help make 2023 amazing. And we're going to have a really good time. It's all focused on your business. And I look forward to chat with you guys a little bit more about that. But one more thing that I want to share with you, Ecamm is doing this really cool thing because they're just freaking cool all the time. But every December they do a program that's called, if you want to call it a program, but it's called Vlogmas. And it's where every single day during the month of December, the Ecamm community does all sorts of awesome, creative, fun stuff. And it's starting December 1st. That's this week. So, game plan is every day in December, you should be able to catch me live. I'm going to be giving tips, tricks, tools, freebies, goodies, all sorts of things focused on helping you level up your business. And so you can check out Vlogmas22. That's the hashtag I'll be using along with everyone else over in the Ecamm community. And I think it's one of the things that is amazing about Ecamm, unlike any of the other software that I've ever seen. Ecamm has a community that comes together to help lift people up, inspire them to do better, and to actually help. So it's not even like just buy the software. It's more like a community of people that are driving innovation in all of our little industry niches. And you find all sorts of walks of life, from pastors to DJs to entrepreneurs to everyone in between. And I hope that one day you'll come be a part of the Ecamm community. It is awesome. All right, you guys, I'm going to skedaddle. I think my son and I are going to maybe watch a movie. I never watch TV, but all right. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to introduce him to, well, I'll tell you after if we end up watching it. I'll tell you. All right. So keep a lookout for me. Starting December 1st, I'm going to be going live every day. And it's going to be a lot of fun. I think it actually starts on Monday, but there's a group of people that were saying let's start on December 1st instead of waiting till Monday. So we'll see. All right. That's all I got. In the meantime, be good, be happy, and most definitely be blessed. We'll see ya. Bye.